What you saw tonight, we started on Sunday. Kuruma, say your name, your village. Yeah, mate, I'm from Australia. Yeah, my mom's from Montana. You know. Now look at them. Are you proud of them? Yeah. Guys, one more time, please put your hands together for ASAMOA, please.
We're both born in New Zealand, but raised here in Melbourne.
I'm born and bred in Auckland, Otara, and I moved to Melbourne a couple of years ago.
Basically, we just want to do this so, you know, we're not going to be the ones that just sit there and just be there to listen. We want to understand.
So when we say Marole Soifua, we're not just saying it as a greeting, we say victory to you for achieving life today. Marole Soifua Manuia. You didn't just achieve life, you achieved it in good health.
Right now I'm going to announce everything you got, which is your wakamani. Here is your drink with the money in it. Here is your tray with the bizupo and the packet of biscuits. Here is your busa bizupo. Secondly, oh my gosh, now you got free to take home, which is your pee. Also got to get a pussy of $1,000. And also, kora. Now I'm going to yell out to these four names I know nothing about. Oyakua is the king of Akua. Now I'm going to yell out to the kings of Aanga. Now I'm going to yell out to the kings of Pumasaga. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for your love.
Sorry, bye. Here we are, just the individual, you and me, your mum and dad, your villages, but somehow we're all connected. We all connect upwards to this, and that's what that second line is. Ainga tupu, ainga sa manitoa, ainga sa balasi, ainga sa tutua, ainga sa tamasese, ainga sa tuala, all those things. Ainga malako tama.
But ainga malako kama foot.
So whatever God's got on your heart, you know, pay it forward, whatever may be.
If it wasn't for these guys, to be honest, we wouldn't have this opportunity. What people don't see on the videos is the hard work that's put behind it. It's getting us over here, fundraising. I heard that the Marofia crew were running normal sessions, trying to fundraise money. They don't have to do that for you guys, that's the honest truth. But because of what was sparked in their hearts from the last class, and what I mean is the period of our aid, they've gone there, you know, out of their way to try and make this happen.
All my people's on the east side, all my people's on the west side, all my brothers on the south side, all my sisters on the north side. Won't you come and sing with me? Pull up a chair and breathe.
Ia whaasi mai e kua, ma te sosuangi mai, a wā te karangi
We are the receiving group and we are hosting your families, so that's why we need to have another ceremony. First thing they do is they sa'a some ava onto the ground and they say, "Olau ava lea lea tua." This portion is for you, God.
Susu mai, ni mai, tau mai a.
I'll go slower. 3, 2, 1. Oleo ke tau kala ke fa kuku mole ke fa kamali.
Oleo te kala te fa kuku mole.
Oleo ke tau kala ke fa kuku ke fa kuku mole ke fa kamali.
Olo fa kamali le.
Oleo au fo marina.
Mātou te whaatalo whātuai.
Ai no whawhenua ia.
A whiwhio tuku māti māli'i, whale tua mātausi, pa ia o a inga o potu.
O paia ia o Samoa o Kooko, au se ana o.
When you guys get most pissed off and you leave the room.
People argue.
They look like they're
Other one stands up here and the other one stands up.
And it looks like they're arguing, but they're not. They're debating about the right to speak.
Because everyone wants to have that opportunity to speak and thank the family or thank the people that are here.
We would love to have another week with our amazing tutors. But thank God that we had a week with them. And I thank God that you chose to come on this journey.
You know, learning the ASAMOA way, it's such a beautiful culture. And just after understanding all of it, man, like, I'm a real Samoan. You know, I'm a Samoan, not a Palaka.
This whole week, it's been just so emotional. I've cried in every class because of you guys and your emotional stories and like.
More than anything, I'm really grateful for the growth that I've seen in my son. So I thank you, Lord, for assisting him with his personal growth as well throughout this process.
A lot of the stuff that the tutors have said throughout the lessons has really hit home.
And so when you do a little bit out like that, or up for whango, or if I for whango, and they say, "Your manguia lava oi." By and throughout your life, you will see those things come to pass.
If once all our parents, see all the parents in here, once they pass on, who's going to carry the Aganu'u for Samoa? Who's going to carry it on? Guys, who's going to carry it on? We have to. That's why we have to make sure that our generation, the Aganu'u for Samoa, does not die with our generation.